You ever feel like you've done this before? You keep doing it over and over and over again? So my windshield wiper stopped working on my truck. And apparently there's like a little, I don't know, it's like it pops in place here and it just keeps falling out. Now I bought this repair kit here. Pops into here and it's supposed to lock in place. And they just fall right out. I mean, clear as day right out. And this thing looks like solid metal. So I think what I'm gonna do is try something completely off the grain here. And I'm gonna drill a hole in this plastic cap and a hole in this and thread it for a bolt. And we're gonna see if that can hold it. I have no idea if I'm doing this wrong, if this is even something we should try, but this assembly, it's like $80 on Amazon, and it's $200 at Advanced Auto. So I figure let's give this a quick try, and if it doesn't work, we'll shell out the money. But if it does, I'll look like a hero to my wife, right? So let's give it a roll here. First of all, it looks like there's all kinds of grease in here from when this used to be a part that worked. So I think I've gotten pretty much all of that gunk out of here at this point. That really needs to be. And let's try to drill this out. No pressure. All right, well, one broken drill bit later, and we have a hole in this. Now we're going to try to find something that we can thread that with. Well, it seems like it's going to go. Snug. When it gets quiet in the shop, that's when you know something serious has happened. Well, we're definitely cutting some threads in there. I think that's a pretty good amount of threads. What do you think, YouTube? Looks like we go pretty far into there, so. Just chase it one or two more times. You know how? See, there's purposes to a big belly. All right. Let's see if I can find the correct threaded bolt. Now this takes a minute. Alright, something like this, I think we're going to get away with it. So, on the bolt. You ever feel like you've done this before? You keep doing it over and over and over again? Let's see if I did it this time. So right now I'm testing to make sure that bolt I installed and tapped and threaded isn't backing out. So I marked it in a way where I can double check it. And then I let the wipers run for a while as a way to verify if it's happy or not. So first thing you gotta do is struggle to get this thing back out of here again. And don't worry, it's made to come out. Just be shy. By the looks of it, I'd say it didn't move. So, I'm going to call this a win for now. So let's install this thing in the truck for the last time. Alright, let's do it for the last time. We just got these 3 bolts here, it's not that bad. One all the way up here. It's important to scratch a little bit of the engine bay when you're putting stuff together. I mean, if you're not, are you really trying? I mean, really. So we'll put that behind us. Now it's time to put this beautiful cowl back in. Right, let me throw that side in, and then we'll push that in and keep struggling a little bit more. We're getting somewhere, though, I think. Just like that. And there's like a lock or something that you just push in over here. We almost lost the 10 mil. There. So now I can take this. So those are all in. Now we do definitely got to take the wiper, water sprayer thing, and plug it back in. Hey. Alright, that's plugged back in. Need that to come back to me. There. Alright, so that's plugged in. We still got to screw that in. I guess you don't need whatever that noise was. You just don't, guys. And then let's put this back on. I mean, you don't need some of that purple paint right there. Okay. Okay. Up and at 'em we go. Alright, let's finish up putting the last couple bits in this thing, and she'll be all polished. I don't like the way that's touching now. All right, well, it's time to put some wipers. Wipe is on. And a plastic cowl cover. Well, that looks like we should take it with us. Well, that one's good now. And there you have it. Wipers are working again. Cowl's installed. Sometimes it's not always the easy ones, but was creative. Came up with a fix. Didn't cost us any money. Well, thanks for tuning on in. Maybe you learned something. Catch you on the next one.